Hi, it's Nina. Hello, welcome again on nowiknow channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix Snapchat memories that are not working. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and as you see here at the bottom left corner, we got these two cards. Now, if you tap on them, all your memories on Snapchat will appear. Now, if your memories are not there, or some of them are missing, or they just won't upload correctly, here the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go back from here and then tap on your Bitmoji at the top left corner. After that, we're gonna tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down. And as you see here, from account actions, we got clear cache option. So we're gonna tap on it. This will pop up and says all of your cache will be cleared and your memories backup won't be deleted. Now hit continue. And now the second thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go out from here and open up our settings. Then scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. Then through the second option, manage apps. And here, look for Snapchat. After that, tap on clear data, then clear cache. And that will fix if there's any issues in the app or delete any bugs in the app. And that should fix your problem. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.